Emerging technology has the potential to transform the development, manufacture, and supply of medicines. New technologies are evolving at lightning speed, pushing regulators to keep pace, spot emerging risks, and unlock new opportunities. The Digital CMC Centre of Excellence for Regulatory Science and Innovation is helping them do this. Led by CMAC at the University of Strathclyde, the Digital CMC CERSI is driving the adoption of digital technologies in pharmaceutical development and manufacturing. It's championing smart, pro-innovation regulation to accelerate patient access to new medicines. Working with global partners to build confidence in data and digital tools so medicines are more affordable, safe, effective, and sustainable. But how? An interactive framework has been developed to demonstrate to regulators, researchers, and industry how new technology can be used in medicines regulation. This framework has been tested in 4 industry-relevant case studies. A Digital CMC sandbox has been created for testing and experimentation of these tools. Training and workshops have been created to build trust and understanding across the sector. The pharmaceutical industry is one of the most regulated in the world. The Digital CMC CERSI is using the power of technology to make processes simpler and more sustainable. We all want those who need medicine to get it faster, and CMAC's Digital CMC CERSI is helping to make that happen. Get involved. To find out more, take part in workshops, or stay updated, visit the Digital CMC CERSI website.